Hello friends, I am very excited for this video. This video will always be special and close to my heart as I am going to launch my first real life end product, my website www.kaustubhsharma.com. Here you can find all information about free trainings, free certification, new technologies, information like artificial intelligence, machine learning, data analytics, cloud, and AWS related information, quizzes, and etc. So a question might arise in your mind that there are many websites which has this type of information. So what's different in this website? So let me tell you the highlights of this website. The main highlight of this website is quiz part. So when I was preparing for my AWS certification, by the way, I myself passed this certification and you can visit my LinkedIn profile for more information. Link will be available in the description. Yeah, so when I was preparing for my certification, all question and answer which I found on internet has questions and answers. Just question and answers. But no proper explanation was given there. Means why option is correct, no concepts are explained, and which is more like spoon feeding. So, and I can tell you from my experience that spoon feeding will not help you to pass any AWS certification. You will pass only if your concepts are clear. So that's why I designed quiz section in such a manner that not only one but your many concepts got clear simultaneously just by doing one question. So that's make quiz section more time savvy and you will deeply understand all the concepts in very less time. And these questions are really inspired from the real AWS certification exam. When you give the real AWS exam, you will come to know how similar these questions are. And all these premium quizzes just for you at free of cost. You just have to subscribe this channel. Go right now and press the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and you will receive awesome content like this. So let's visit the homepage of our website. As you can see, website has SSL certificate which make website completely secure. Also, I try to make this website as fast as possible. Let me show you the speed ranking of my website using Google tool. You can also check out the speed of your website by using this Google tool. Link will be available in the description. On home page, you will find some personal details about me which keeps on changing. Guys, let me know in the comment section if you want to know how I created this effect or whole website. When you scroll down, you will find latest blogs, videos, tweets, which has all the links to free training and certification and information. There is a dedicated blog section which is a key highlight of this website, where you can find all information about new technologies which I already mentioned like artificial intelligence, cloud, and etc. And the free certification information, free trainings, and many more. There is a about section, contact section, which you can use to contact me. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel and also provide me the feedback on how we can improve our site.